So can you go a little bit down? या एकदम पूरा टॉप पे दिखने दे like शॉर्टकट डिस्टेंस से लेके टॉप पे.
अच्छा अच्छा, शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस ऑफ अ पॉइंट यहाँ से.
Yeah.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. अच्छा. Let's end.
So can you go to like that? Yeah. Number of
Where?
tangents from a point. Yeah. Number of tangents. क्योंकि like
Yes.
in between some things are written and some things are not written. That's why.
Number of tangents. Second topic.
Yeah, the second topic. Yesterday we wrote.
So Samina dear, from which school you like? I think you had physics class with me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes. Got it. Okay. I thought
Yes, sir.
that
Now
Samina.
from theorem 2.
So what's your school name, Samina?
Sir, our in English high school.
Didn't get your word, dear.
Our own English high school. Sir.
Okay. Where is basically located in like in where?
Sir, Sharjah.
Okay, so you are from Sharjah. So you are a native of UAE or India or somewhere else?
Sir, I stay in UAE.
No, you stay in UAE. So I'm asking native. Are you a home like is your home country India or somewhere else?
Sir, my home country is India.
Yeah. Okay, dear. Okay, okay. That's great.
Sir, थोड़ा सा नीचे.
Yeah.
So till here only we wrote yesterday.
Yes, that's what we have done in the previous class.
Okay, sir. No problem. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome, dear. Okay, so let's start the class because like already waited enough for all the students. Let's take one example. Just a moment. Actually, my laptop a little bit lagging because of the what has happened to it. Now clear. It's the example one of the circles chapter. Let's start this first with the basic example and then we'll move forward. Is that visible?
Yes, sir.
So this is the figure of this question. Basically, this question is asking that prove that two concentric circles, the chord of larger circle, the chord of large, it's a chord for the larger circle. Yes or no, everybody? Chord. How many of you remember the chord word? when a line intersects the circle, that's called chord. The longest chord of the circle is what? Can anybody tell me?
What, sir?
I'm asking what is the longest chord of the circle? Can anybody tell me the name of that chord?
Diameter.
Sir, is it diameter?
Diameter,
Yes,
sir,
it's
diameter.
diameter. So, but it's now, if I'm normally saying the chord, it means that it is not like it is only intersecting. It is basically cutting that circle at two specific points. This point, so it's called chord. Clear, everybody? So it's saying that if the chord of the larger circle, it's chord of the larger circle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it's given in the question, everybody. It's yes or no.
Yes, sir.
All of you, first unmute yourself, everybody. Everybody, at least unmute yourself so that you can answer me properly in the class. And this, it's saying that which touches the circle, smaller circle, is bisected at the point of contact. It means that we need to show that this AP is the equals to PB. Clear, got it?
Yes, sir.
So basically, it's saying that this is the point of contact. It means that it is the tangent for this smaller circle because only one point of contact is there. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's solve this question. Given is AB is a chord. Clear, AB is a chord. It's given. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And OP will be perpendicular to, sorry, OP will be perpendicular to AB. Yes or no? Now tell me,
Yes.
why is it perpendicular? Can anybody tell me?
Because it is the tangent of the circle.
Any specifically, it's not correct, completely correct. It's not exactly accurate. Anybody?
So what's the question?
I'm asking why OP is perpendicular to side A, the chord AB.
So because OP is bisected. Because it's 90 degrees.
Very good. Oh, very good. Karishma, that's a new thing. You have increased my knowledge.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
The radius is perpendicular to the point of contact. First theorem of this circle chapter. Everybody, how many of you remember that thing? The point of contact, basically the line drawn from the circle to the point of contact is perpendicular. And that's what radius. Except Samina, I'm not like Samina, this is the first class. So Samina, this is the property, this is the theorem of the first, this circle chapter. Okay, whenever there is a point of contact, if we draw the line on it, basically it would be radius, point of contact will be here. And if I draw this line, so it will be perpendicular. I've told you in the previous theorem proof.
Yes, sir.
Remember? So that's why OP is the perpendicular to AB.
Yes.
Now tell everybody, tell me, if I'm saying that this OP is nothing but its radius, so OP is starting from center.
Yeah.
OP will be O point is at the center, na? And I'm joining that point to the P, which is at the point
Yes,
of
sir.
contact. So now
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, everybody, if I am joining anything, suppose that I'm saying that this is the point of center. If I'm joining anything, so will it divide this line equal to two parts? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So that's what we need to write here. So
Yes,
if
sir. AP and PP.
very good. So Karishma is continuously giving the proper values of answer. Very good. So AP and PB. Proof. Now let's join this OP. Okay. OP and OP is perpendicular to AB because radius of a circle. It's simple, not a very complex question. Circle is perpendicular to the point of contact. Okay. So OP and AB. So OP will be now, if I'm starting, OP is nothing but O is the center. Therefore, OP will be the bisector, perpendicular bisector of AB. Clear, everybody? How many of you got this point?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Samina, Abdullah, Adil, Karishma,
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
got it? So hence proof. That's how. It's a simple question, not a very complex one. Only that, basically, obviously, if I'm starting from center, so basically that line will, and line is perpendicular, so it means it will, you can say, divide that that chord into two equal parts. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Does anybody have doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, that's great. Let's start the next question. And that's a little bit, you can say, complex question, but not that much complex. So that's why I've taken circle after the triangles chapter, because circle was, like, you can see that congruence and similarity will be there a little bit.
Sir, wait, please.
Kya hua, Abdullah? What happened?
Nothing. बस एक second, मैं लिख रहा हूँ.
How many of you, like, is that visible to everybody?
Yes, sir.
So what we need to prove is that we need to prove that PTQ, this angle is basically is equals to the twice of OPQ. Clear, everybody? Everybody, yes or no? At
Yes,
least
sir.
let's say.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, very good. So suppose that, start from the starting. Okay. So given thing is that, so can I write PT or TP is equals to TQ? How many of you remember this theorem? So bad. Like, this is the theorem that we have done recently in the class, in the previous class, that
Yes, sir.
tangents drawn from the
Start
external
here.
points are
Yes,
equal in length.
sir.
But I don't like when I say that this is the theorem, this is the topic, everybody say yes, sir. But why don't you say yes, sir, and give me the answer when I ask? Why do you go in the hibernate mode in that, like, in that phase? So it's given Clear? It's already said an external point T. Two tangents are drawn, TP and TQ, from the external point T. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's assume that let angle PTQ as theta. Because angle name is very difficult to assume that angle X or angle something you can. So PTQ is equals to theta. Clear? I'm assuming this angle as theta. So everybody tell me, this triangle, if two TPQ and TQ are equal, so this PTQ triangle will be isosceles triangle or not? Opposite sides of
Yes,
triangles are
sir.
equal,
Yes, sir.
then the triangle is isosceles triangle. And this angle PTQ, PQT and TPQ is equal. Why? Property of isosceles triangle says that if the two opposite sides are equal, then the opposite angle will also be equal. Why is everybody silent?
Yes, sir.
Adil, Abdullah, Samina, Karishma.
Yes, sir.
What, sir?
Like, how many of you are attending the class with a very focused mind? Please be honest with me.
Yes, sir.
How many of you are attending the class with a very focused mind that you are getting my concepts, what I'm trying to say?
Yes,
Because
sir.
if I'm giving you the concepts and if you are not able to answer right there what we have covered in the last 5 minutes, so it's not a good thing. That means that you are not with the attentive mind. I will cover and cover. What you will do in the last part, you will just think that what we have done. You will just waste your 1 hour of the class. Because you need to sit in the exams, everybody. I will not be there in like to tell you this concept and everything. I will teach you right here, and you have to take the class in a very attentive manner. Simple. I can help you right here, but I will not be able to help you in the exam. You will be there. You will be responsible for that thing if you are not attending the class with a very focused mind at the right time. So attentively attend the class. Don't think that it's a very simple and it's a nothing. It will impact you a lot. It seems like it's very easy. Now you see that I've asked, like I'm not judging anybody, but I've asked everybody that what is the property of this isosceles triangle, but nobody answered to me. Like it's not a good thing that you are in 10th class and you don't know the basics of the triangles. It's not a good thing, everybody. At least you should know. If I'm telling you, so you should understand that thing properly. I'm not scolding right here. I'm just suggesting them. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Samina Abdullah, are you there or not?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in triangle, if TP,
I'm sorry for some like background noises because like construction is going on. I
no
don't know where.
issues, no issues.
Near my house.
Sorry, no issues here. So basically, TP, to prove, first I'm saying that to prove angle PTQ is equals to twice of angle OPQ, that we need to prove. So proof part comes here. Okay. So I will erase that thing here. At PTQ is equals to theta, TP is equals to TQ, given. So angle TPQ, this angle TPQ
Is an isosceles triangle.
is equals to angle PQT. PQT.
So can you say
Okay.
what you wrote in to prove angle PTQ is equals to 2 angle OP?
Q.
Okay.
So triangle TPQ is an isosceles triangle because opposite sides and opposite angle are equal.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay, so now tell me. It's TPQ, na? So TPQ is equals to TQP. So now tell me, they are equals to 180 or not? Sorry, 180
Yes, sir.
minus theta, 180 minus theta.
Yes, sir. 180 minus theta.
Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm writing this thing with a supplementary angle property. Angle QTP, or say PTQ, plus angle TQP plus angle PQT is equals to 180 or not? Triangle sum property. Triangle sum property. This plus this,
So
this
isn't
plus
it
this.
then I guess it's angle sum property, right?
Angle sum property, triangle sum property, it's the same name there. It's not. Okay, you are
नहीं
saying.
मैंने असल में ये ASP सुना है mostly angle sum property.
Angle sum
Mostly.
property. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a, you are saying angle sum property, I'm writing angle sum property. No issues? Fine?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Fine.
It's
Thank you.
nothing but triangle sum property is that means that some of the triangles are 180. Triangle sum property also means that thing. Clear? So it's saying that
Okay.
now see that this is your equation number 1 and this is your equation number 2. TPQ and PQT are equal. TPQ. Where is TPQ? Just a second. I've named wrongly. TPQ and TQP. Just a second. Okay, no. I've written the same thing because I've just interchanged the PQT and TQP. So let me write that PQT here because it will add a little bit confusion right there. So PQT, clear? And it's TPQ.
Yes, TPQ.
TP. Yeah. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see that. Can I write? So PTQ, we have assumed PTQ as theta. Yes or no?
Sir.
So I can write PQ T plus angle TP Q is equals to 180 minus theta.
Minus theta. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now PQT and TPQ are equal.
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
So I need the PQT. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Either you can use any of the name of the triangle. It could be. So it would be T, PQ, T.
2 into PQ.
Equals to 180 minus theta. Okay. So angle PQT. PQT na?
Yes, sir.
Is equals to 180 divided minus theta divided by 2. Clear? So angle PQT equals to angle TPQ will be equals to 90 minus theta by 2. Because this angle will also be equals to same, na? Because both are same. Yes or no, everybody? At least yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now this is the equation number 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Now tell me, everybody. Come here to the picture of the question. Now this is the tangent. This is the point of contact. This is the radius. This whole angle will be 90 or not?
Yes, sir.
Just let me raise this thing again. This angle plus OPQ angle plus this angle, basically this half angle with this remaining angle which is there. So it will be 90 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
So whole angle OPT will be equals to 90.
Yes, sir.
OPT. So angle OPT will be equals to 90 degree. And if I need to, if I break OPT angle, it would be nothing but OPT and QPT.
Sir, can you explain it again?
I'm saying that two angles are there, na? This half part angle and plus this angle. And if you add them, it will be 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So can I write OPQ plus QPT. Angle QPT is equals to 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
It's complementary angle, na?
Yes, sir. Yes,
How
sir.
many of you
Yes,
know
sir.
that what is complementary angle? I will explain that thing. If you don't know, tell me. If the two if the pair of some, if the basically if the pair of angles is equals to 90 degree, it's
90
called
degree is called
complementary angle.
complementary.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Samina, Adil, Abdullah, and Karishma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So let me write that thing here. So I can write OPT as angle OPQ plus
OPQ,
angle QTP. It's QTP? No, it's QPT
TPQ.
or TPQ. Is equals to 90 degree. And what we have assumed is that, yes, Abdullah, you are saying something?
Yeah.
So
Yes, Abdullah?
QPQ is equal to 90
Nothing,
minus
sir,
theta by
nothing.
2.
Just I wanted to say like to go one line above. Now it's okay. I wanted to
Okay.
write.
Okay. And angle OPQ will be equals to 90 minus angle
Minus
TPQ.
90.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of
90 minus
TPQ? This is your
90.
fourth equation. Substitute third equation into fourth equation.
90
90
minus
minus 90
theta.
of minus theta.
Yeah.
Substitute.
Sir, won't the minus theta change to plus?
Yes, it will. I'm just say it will be in bracket. First, it will be right in bracket, and when you open the bracket, it will become positive. Substitute equation 3 in equation 4. So angle OPQ is nothing but 90 degree minus 90 minus of theta by 2. Clear? So angle OPQ is 90 degree minus 90 degree plus of theta by 2. This will cancel theta 90 and 90, and angle
Yes, sir.
OPQ is twice of angle theta. The theta is nothing but your PTQ angle. So angle PTQ is twice of OPQ, hence
OPQ.
proved. Now everybody tell me how many of you get this point, because I write the equation number wise.
Yes, sir.
Because it's a little you can say complex if you don't write the equation number. You will not understand which equation we have substituted in the question. How many of you get this? And no doubt, and if there is any doubt, please let me know that.
No, sir, it's clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay, Samina said no, Adil said no, Karishma said no. What about Abdullah?
No, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Just a second. So let's take one more question. You can see that the chapter is small, but the questions related to circles are very lengthy. It will ask you the all type of concepts like related triangles, the angle sum property, everything. They will ask you everything in the same question itself. So that's why circle is very important. And the good questions will be like good questions are there in the NCERT itself. Okay.
So can you scroll a bit down?
Just a second, Abdullah. I'm just saving a question. Give me a moment. Laptop is very like right now. It's very annoying to use this laptop. It's hanging a little, like not a little much, it's hanging a lot.
Change your laptop.
Dear, I will change right now. I will change, but I have some other priorities right now, so I won't be able to change it. I was thinking to change, but not right now. In the next year, I think. Okay, so
Okay,
it's
sir,
the
next year.
question right here. Okay, it's asking that PQ is a length of chord 8 centimeter. Clear? I think this question I've solved to Hiba. Hiba asked that question in the doubt. How many of you were there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I was there. Yes, sir.
I was also there.
Okay, that's great. Okay, the question is saying that PQ is a chord which is of 8 centimeter and the radius of that circle is 5 centimeter. Clear? And tangents TP and PQ, tangents T, the tangents at P and Q intersect at point T. It means that T is the external point from which the tangents are drawn. Okay, find the length of TP. TP, where is TP? Yes, we need to find this length. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let's solve this question.
Sir, by PGT, first we'll find the length TP.
Okay. R is 5 centimeter and PQ is equals to 8 centimeter. Clear, everybody? Simple thing.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
PR,
sir.
this PR point will be
is
4.
equal to, yes, sir. PR is 4 and RQ is 4.
PR is 4 centimeter.
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Because the perpendicular bisector, the
By
previous
6.
question that we have
Yes,
done.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the RQ, 4 centimeter. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, just a second. So everybody tell me, if I'm saying that this angle is 90 degree, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Angle TPR and angle RPO is 90 degree. So let's do proof. Samina, are you getting my point, dear?
Yes, sir.
Not proof. We need to find na. So there is no proof in the question. So we'll be directly writing. Okay. What we need to do? So angle TPR plus angle RPO is equals to 90 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. If it's 90 degree, so can anybody tell me this PTR and just a moment,
TPR.
PTR, this angle, and this angle will be also 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir,
Yes. Okay, listen everybody. This is 90, this is 90.
Yes, sir.
because
So
of
these two angles will be 90 na? Because one angle is
Yes,
already
sir.
90, so the remaining two angles will be 90 or
Sir,
not?
because of AA angle.
No, I'm not using the
Yes,
similarity.
sir. Because in a
Okay.
right angle
I'm using the
triangle,
complementary angle property, dear. If it's 90
Okay,
degree
sir.
angle, suppose that this is a triangle. If it's 90 degree, so this angle plus this angle will be 90 na? 180 degree, then it will
Yes,
be
sir.
180,
Yes,
the sum
sir.
of
yes, sir.
some
Yes,
property.
yes, sir.
Clear? So
Yes, sir.
angle PTR plus angle TPR is equals to also 90 degree. This is your first equation. This is your second equation. Equating equation 1 and equation 2. Clear? Because both the right hand sides are 90. So I can equate the equations. So angle TPR is equals to, not equals to, plus of angle RPO is equals to angle PTR plus and TPR. So TPR will cancel this TPR. So angle RPO is equals to angle PTR. If I remove this, just a second. So which angle is there? RPO, this angle is equals to PTR, this angle.
Yes,
I can
sir.
use this. I can use this with 90 minus theta and theta concept. Theta, 90 minus theta, theta. How many of you know this concept? Okay, I'm
Theta.
explaining. Just a second. Let me share my screen. Actually, it's hanging a little bit. Let me share the screen again. I'm just annoyed by my OneNote. It's very bad. Is my screen visible, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me, if this is angle theta, if this is 90 degree, suppose this angle is theta. So what will it become? This angle will be equals to 90 minus theta.
90 minus theta.
90 minus
Yes, sir.
theta.
90 minus theta.
90 minus
Yes,
theta.
sir.
Okay. This is 90. This is 90. If it's
Yes,
90
sir.
minus theta, I want, and the remaining is like, if I remain minus, so it will become theta. Why? Okay, just a second. 90 minus theta is there. If I'm taking the angle is 90 minus theta, and they are complementary angle plus of 90. Just a second. So if it's 90 and 90 and 90, 90 degree plus 90 minus theta equals to, and plus angle TPR is equals to 180. So this angle 180 is equals to yes or no? And angle minus theta is equals to minus of TPR. Sorry, TPR. So this minus will cancel. So theta is nothing but TPR na? TPR. PTR, sorry, not TPR, PTR. PTR. Got it, everybody? Okay, don't. Okay, if I'm not getting that, it's not mandatory. I've just told you. This is a shortcut, you can say. When the concepts are, when the angles are in complementary, so you can use this concept. You can use this concept. This is theta. The other one will be 90 minus theta. If I am saying that this is also in complementary angle, so this one will become theta.
Theta.
Clear? So this is the
Yes, sir.
concept. It's up to you. Like I'm not basically say like it's not like I'm not saying that you have to use this. I've given you the concept here. So this RPO is equals to TPR. Oh, sorry, PTR. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now see this in triangle. Why do we need triangles? Because the value of this
Join
is
by the one here.
found, like we need to find. If I basically prove this triangle and these triangles are similar, I can use the proportionality of similar triangles. Adil, Karishma, Abdullah, and Samina. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir. No, sir. Sir,
Karishma
could you
didn't get
explain it again?
Okay, I'm just telling you. In triangle, PTR and PTR, not T, just a second. Let me rename the triangle. It's TRP. It's PRT, sorry. It's PRT and PRO. PRO. Clear?
Yes, sir.
In this triangle, this angle is equals to this angle.
Yes, sir.
This angle is 90. This angle is also 90. PRT is 90. PRO is also 90. So two
Yes,
angles
sir.
are, if the two angles are equal, then this is a similarity. Angle PTR is equals to angle of RPO. It's proved. Question 1. Angle PRT is equals to PRO 90 degree. So triangle PRT is similar to triangle PRO by angle criteria. How many of you have got this?
Got it, sir.
Got it? So can I use, so I need the value of PT. I need the value of PT now. So PT is proportional to PO.
PO.
So PT by PO.
PO.
So PT by PO. Okay, and what is there? RT by RO. Value of RT is given, not, no, it's not given now. So value of OR is given. Just a second. I think something is given. Okay. PR is common. So PR by PR. Clear? I've taken, just give me a second. TRP and PRO. It would be RT by RO. So if it's RT by RO, what is the value of PT? It's not given. And it's PO. PO is 5 centimeter is equals to RT. Okay. So it's also not given.
Can we find it by
I
using
think
Pythagoras theorem?
No. One more similarity is there, na? Not one more similarity, one more aside. TP by PO, okay. RP by RO. I think I've taken the name wrong. That's why I'm not getting the word. RP by RO. RP by RO. RP by RO. Just a second. It's PRP. So TP will be corresponding to TP, will be corresponding to PO is equals to RP. RP will be corresponding to RO. Okay, now clear. So TP is will be remains as it is. PO is 5. RP is 4. Sorry, if my mistake, I've taken the name in the wrong manner. And RO, we can use this by Pythagoras. If it's 4, it's 5, so it would be 3. So it will be TP is equals to 20 by 3 centimeter. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, everybody? Is that
Yes,
clear to
sir.
you? Sorry, like I've taken the wrong name of the first triangle, which is TRP. Okay. So that's why the naming was a little bit complex. So that's why. Sorry for that. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Sure. So there is also another method. You can use this in using the Pythagoras, but it's that is a little bit lengthy method. But Pythagoras, basically this chapter is circle, so we need it's very appropriate to use the properties of circle and the tangents. So that's why I've taken this method. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 6 minutes are left. Let's find out. Do we have any time to find out the value of this triangle? Okay, yes, we can. I have one question. Like, let's see that I'll be needing half class more of the next class, which is on Wednesday, and then we'll be winding up this chapter. It's all like we'll be doing the RD Sharma and NCRT, both the questions in that class itself. Okay, everybody? And then we'll be starting the mensuration chapter, surface area and volume.
The pi one.
Yes, Abdullah.
Nothing, sir, nothing.
Okay, so this is the question. Find out the value of the angle PTQ. This angle. Giving you 2 minutes to solve it. Okay, Adil. So have you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Keep it to yourself. Let's find out. Let's wait how many can solve this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Simple, straightforward question based on the properties of triangles. Not triangles, circles. And this question is also.
I got the answer.
Yes, Abdullah.
Sir, I got the answer.
Okay, very good. Keep it to yourself.
Me too, sir.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Okay. So what's your answer one by one, Abdullah? Okay, Abdullah is not answering. Karishma, what's your answer?
Sir,
Yes,
mine
sir.
is B, 70.
B. Karishma said B. Okay, what about Adil?
Yes, sir. I also got B70.
Adil also saying. What about Samina and all? Samina and Abdullah?
Sir, B.
Sir, 70.
B.
70.
70. Very good. So now tell me which property you have used.
Sir,
Yes,
where
everybody.
angle B,
The angle sum
angle B
property.
and
Angle
angle
sum
Q is
property.
equal to 90 degree,
Okay.
and angle O plus angle P plus angle Q plus angle T is equal to 360.
Hmm.
So it'll. So yes, sir. We
Okay.
add all
So that's
together,
also
then we
correct.
subtract it.
Okay. That's all good. So correct. Now one more thing is that if it's the value given here, it's 110. Okay. So directly you can say that the opposite sides, basically these are the two sides, two angles, so it will be equals to 180. Clear? So that's how you can solve this question directly. 110 is given, so 70 will be left here. Clear? No need to go through the 361. Clear?
Yes, sir.
How
Yes,
many of
sir.
you got my
Yes,
point, what I'm
sir.
trying to say?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that's 70. One more question. One more question. Can I give you one more question? Last
Yes,
question
sir.
of this class. Simple question.
Yes,
Just
yes,
like
sir.
the
Yes,
same
sir.
one. Based on the lines and angles, the properties of circles. And then we'll be doing the proof questions in the coming class. And everybody, please revise the concepts of the previous classes, because if I solve the questions on my own, and I can only do one thing is that if you don't answer to me, I will solve the question on my own. That's the thing I can do the most. But if you don't practice, that will be your loss. Solve this. If the two tangents are there, PAB, and O is the inclined, each at an angle 80 degree. Angle POA. 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 Simple question. I can you can solve this without pen and paper. It's a question of like that. How many of you got the answer?
Sir, I did not go. Can you explain the question?
I will not explain. You have to find the answer first, then I will explain that question. At least try. Why do you
So what if
scared so much? Because
are inclined to each other?
yeah, so try to analyze now. At least try to analyze.
ठीक है sir, ठीक है.
If the questions gets wrong, so don't worry. At least try. Without trying, you go. Like if you think that it will go wrong and so on, that will not go along according to your needs. You need to. Adil got the answer. What about rest?
I'm not sure with it because I'm a little confused
Sir,
with the question.
I got the answer, but it's
Okay.
incorrect because it's not in the option.
Okay, so you have got the answer. That's not in the option itself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issues. At least you have tried. That's the most important thing. Okay, tell me one by one.
Sir, 50.
Samina said 50. What about rest?
Sir, A50.
50. What about other?
So mine is different. Leave it.
What's your answer?
Surrender, sir.
Why? Why, Karishma? At least tell me now. I want the answer. Whether it's wrong or right, it's not the problem. I want the answer.
Root 69.
Karishma?
110. Sir, 110.
110. Acha, theek hai. What about Adil? You said 100. You have 50?
Sir, I said A50.
A50. Samina said 50. Abdullah, what's your answer?
Sir, I'm not sure.
So why are you so much like saying and passing comments to other?
Yes, sir.
But that's not a good thing,
Yes,
Abdullah.
अच्छा लगता है.
If you are in the
sir.
class, I know that it's correct, but first you have to solve, then you can say that it's one root something, whatever you are trying to say. That's not good. Okay. So everybody look at the screen. It's like this. So this is angle 80. Okay. And this is saying that 80 angle is so this will complete will be 100. And if I draw a line, if it is asking PA, suppose that its angle is this side is PA, this is BB. Okay, just let me raise this thing and let properly solve it for you. In the figure itself, you will understand. Okay, so like this. Clear? So basically, this is 0, not 0, sorry, center. So this will be what, 90 or 100?
90.
90. Just see that Samina is the new student. Still, she's properly answering. So this whole is 80. This whole angle, and this is PA. This is PB. PA, sorry, and this point is B, and this angle is O. If its whole is 80, so this will be what?
100.
Whole 100 na
100.
180.
Yes,
100.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And if I
100
draw,
divided by 2.
this thing, if I draw a line, so it will divide this angle into half.
Yes, sir. 100 divided by 2.
Yes, sir. 50.
Yes or no? So this will
Yes,
be,
sir.
this part will be 50. So this